Your next car could be the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. The Silverado 3500 HD has the strength to haul the biggest loads and still give you a quiet, smooth ride. You may forget you're in a supersized, heavy-duty truck. Just go straight to the top. Get the truck with superlative strength and power. Drive the Silverado 3500 HD.